Hello, today I'm going to be talking about my product, Diatomaceous No More Fleas for Cats. This is my proprietary blend of 100% food grade diatomaceous earth, ground neem, and rosemary and lemongrass. It's 100% non-toxic and safe for cats and kittens of all ages, even kittens from birth. In this video, I'll show you the best way to dust a cat with Diatomaceous No More Flea Powder. Now this is my cat Bee, and she hates being dusted with flea powder. So I have to make sure I hang on to her pretty good, and I grip her from the neck, which makes her feel more secure, kind of like how the mother grips the kitten. You just kind of pinch a little bit of skin, and I get quite a bit so that way I'm not like pinching her hard. And I just hold it firmly, and it just like immobilizes them and kind of makes them get paralyzed and just be still. I let loose of her here for a second, and I'm going to get some and do the underside. I just put a line of it down the back and dust it in real good, a little bit on the tail, and then I put a little bit in my hand and do the underside. And now this is Raven. She's a little bit easier to do than Bee. She doesn't try to get away so much. She doesn't like it either, but she doesn't try to jump away. But I just make that line down the back and really work it in to the skin, rub it in, and do a little bit around the head and stuff, not to get too much into their eyes or anything. And then I always do underneath as well. I just rub a little bit into the belly, and that's just pretty good. I mean, once the fleas crawl through that, they're gonna die, and they'll crawl through their back and their underside and everything. So you just dust them like that, and got to keep it up every couple of days, I'd say, especially if you have a pretty good infestation of fleas. My cats are indoor outdoor, and I dust them every 2 or 3 days, through the flea season and stuff. And you can do lighter if they're indoors more often. These guys stay out a whole lot in the summer, so I dust them a little bit heavier. But if they're indoor, the diatomaceous earth can be very messy in the house, so you might dust them and then make them stay outside for a few hours until they shake a lot of it off. But it'll get down to the skin and be enough on the skin that when the fleas crawl through it, it will kill the fleas. But yep, that's it. Just dust them really good, neck down, a little bit behind the ears and the top of the head, and get the underbelly, and that should do it. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and for links to my shop, they'll be in the description box below, so you can check out all my products and everything, and my flea powders. If you have any questions, you can find my email on my website and contact me there. Thanks, bye.